Good morning, everyone. It is so cold here today. We're just gonna head into Dollar Tree. And I have a few minutes, so I thought I'd film for you what I see today. I'm already spotting new things. These little bags here are like a little canvas material treat sacks. There's 3 in a pack. Let me grab a cart or a buggy. What do you say? We had this discussion a long time ago. But yeah, I better grab one because I can already see I'm going to be putting things in my cart. These ones are cute too with the red, but I wish the red was like a deeper red. Since my last visit, you can see that some of the signs are already starting to sell out, such as the welcome ones. But there's some really awesome Valentine's Day signs this year at Dollar Tree, so if you need something, pop in because I have a feeling they're going to go really quick. Nice to see all the garden goodies are being put out, so oh, these are new. But I don't think they do well outside because they're kind of like that compressed cardboard. But they're cute for indoors. Oh my gosh, how cute. Yeah, so I'm hoping to start to see the fairy garden things appear. So I will keep a lookout. I know some of you have been asking about that. I've bought these before and I really like them. The problem is I ate the whole entire bag. So I think I should leave them back. Leave them here. Oh, over the holidays, I bought the lemon ones like this. And my kids and all the kids that came over, like, oh, like this. This package here, all the kids loved them. Like, they were like holding them in their hand while they're eating. It was so cute. They really enjoyed these, and I really liked them too. So just these here, these are the smaller, like chubbier looking ones, and they are sold individually. But then they had skinnier ones not too long ago, sold in packs of 6. So if you ever see 6 skinny ones together, what a fantastic price. No more chip puffed. There's the hot chocolate and the tea packages. So these sold out really quickly, and I can see now, and the reason why I'm over here is because these have replaced the area. So these look fantastic. They're 100% cotton and they're huge, so they're great for like if you're traveling and you need to pack, you know, warm food, and sometimes I wrap it in a kitchen towel. These would be a great size for that, or even for next year for Christmas, like if you want to wrap gifts. Look at that, red and green tea towels. So you can be like super eco-friendly with gift wrapping as well. And oh my gosh, how cute. These are great. If you stuck a few of them together, you can make like paper dividers, mail divider, something like that if you need to organize a shelf with papers. This metal would work really well. Just gonna head back down the cleaning supplies. I'm looking for the LA's Totally Awesome. It's like a powder form, and I throw it in with my whites to brighten them, and it works really well. So, oh, here it is. This stuff here works really great. I really like it. So these are new to me here at the store. Has anyone tried them? Do you know if they have a nice flow for gel pen? If you have little ones in your life, these little sand timers are great for brushing their teeth, like timing their brush. I guess they're the time that they're brushing their teeth. Oh wow, they have a ton of stuff up here now. Oh, look at this little fancy package by Crayola. I love these types of things. I'm putting them together in making huge donation baskets when it's time for fundraising and stuff. So I tend to collect like really good brand products and then just put a huge package together. And I have some things from Shimmer and Shine, so this is perfect. I'm at the checkout and I turned around and I missed this entirely. So here's some St. Patty's Day things. If you guys are looking at doing DIYs, take a look in the area. These are cute hats. I don't really celebrate St. Patrick's Day, so don't think I really need anything. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed walking through the store with me. And until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.